relaxing day at the beach. There's people playing volleyball.
Yeah, they're having a tournament.
Tournament? Are you sure it's a tournament style? There's a lot of people, right?
Yeah. They were all signing up for something. Why would you sign up?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Shit, it's...
And each team has to have at least one girl.
Oh, that makes sense. It's the third Saturday of fucking 2014. And basically, it's like summer in San Diego, so... Sadly.
I like my jeans and my leggings time.
Oh, yeah.
Shorts time isn't for another few months.
Well, it'll start raining soon, but for now...
Better. The fruit and vegetable growers are suffering at the moment.
Yeah, it's the biggest drought in like 100 years or something. So, alright, just thought everyone else would want to enjoy this too. Right, babe?
Hope so.
Oh, yeah. That's because the Ferris wheel YouTube has over 200 hits now. Yeah, I think last time I saw it was 206, so. Alright, guys. Peace.